Tired of crypto platforms that eat into your profits with high fees and limited options? Let's break down if Binance is really the day trading haven it's hyped up to be. First, let's talk fees. Binance often boasts some of the lowest fees in the game, especially if you hold BNB, their native token, but be sure to check the current fee structure, as it can vary based on your trading volume and VIP level. Understanding the fees is the first step in calculating your true profit. Next, selection is king. Binance offers a massive range of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs, from established players like Bitcoin and Ethereum to newer altcoins, giving you tons of opportunities for day trading, but be sure to do your research on the token before committing. Binance offers pretty advanced trading tools, including different order types, charting options, and technical indicators. Knowing how to use these tools will give you an edge in technical analysis and quick decision-making that's vital for successful day trading. Liquidity is arguably the most important factor for day trading. Binance generally has high liquidity for popular coins. This means you can quickly enter and exit positions without significantly impacting the price. Low liquidity leads to increased risk. So, is Binance good for day trading? It can be a great option. But remember, day trading is risky. Do your research, understand the platform and its tools, manage your risk, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Now go out there and trade smart. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe, like, and share, and tell us in the comments what platform do you day trade on.